In the early 20th century, the RMS Titanic was the largest and most luxurious passenger ship ever built. It was considered a symbol of human engineering and was widely believed to be unsinkable. However, this belief would soon be proven tragically wrong. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic departed from Southampton, England, heading toward New York City. The ship carried over 2,200 passengers and crew members. It made stops at Cherbourg, France, and Queenstown, Ireland. Passengers included some of the richest people in the world, as well as immigrants seeking a new life in America. Everything seemed normal during the first few days of the journey. As the Titanic sailed through the North Atlantic Ocean, multiple ships sent iceberg warnings. These warnings were either delayed or not taken seriously. The Titanic continued to travel at a high speed, despite icy waters. The night of April 14, 1912, was calm and extremely cold, making icebergs difficult to spot. At 11:40 p.m. on April 14, 1912, lookouts spotted an iceberg directly ahead. The crew attempted to turn the ship and reverse engines. However, it was too late. The Titanic scraped along the side of the iceberg. Although the impact felt minor, the iceberg ripped open the ship's hull below the waterline. The Titanic was designed with watertight compartments, meant to prevent sinking. But the collision caused 5 compartments to flood simultaneously. The ship could only survive flooding in 4 compartments. Water began pouring in rapidly, and the ship's front started sinking lower and lower. At first, many passengers did not believe the ship was in danger. Crew members soon realized the Titanic would sink. A distress signal was sent. Unfortunately, there were not enough lifeboats for everyone. Many lifeboats were launched half-empty. Women and children were prioritized, but confusion and poor communication caused delays. Some passengers refused to leave. Others were locked behind glass barriers. As the ship tilted upward, panic spread across the deck. By 2:20 a.m. on April 15, 1912, the ship broke into 2 massive sections. Both parts sank into the freezing Atlantic Ocean. The water temperature was below freezing, and most people in the water died within minutes. The nearby ship RMS Carpathia responded to distress signals. It arrived about 1 hour later. Only around 710 people were rescued. More than 1,500 lives were lost, making it one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. For decades, the Titanic remained lost. In 1985, scientists finally discovered the wreck, located 3,800 meters below the ocean surface. The ship lies in 2 main pieces, surrounded by debris. Today, the Titanic wreck is slowly disappearing. Iron-eating bacteria are destroying the structure. Experts believe it may completely collapse within a few decades. The Titanic now rests silently at the bottom of the ocean, as a reminder of human ambition and its limits. The Titanic disaster changed maritime history forever. Safety regulations were improved. Lifeboat requirements were increased. The story of the Titanic is not just about a ship that sank, but about lessons learned through tragedy.